Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a deep look at the Shark POWERDETECT ultralight corded stick vacuum, a versatile vacuum packed with smart tech and built to handle everything from pet hair to dust. We'll explore its features, performance, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. The Shark POWERDETECT HZ4002 is designed with a 2-brushroll system that features DuoClean Technology. This system uses Intelli-Sense sensors to automatically adjust the brushroll speed based on the floor type, ensuring optimal performance whether you're cleaning carpets, rugs, or hard floors. This is particularly useful for users with mixed floor types, eliminating the need to manually change settings as you move between surfaces. The added benefit? The Intelli-Sense system includes an ultrasonic sensor that detects the floor's texture and adjusts suction strength accordingly. Another key feature is the self-cleaning brush roll. This is a game changer for anyone with long hair or pets, as it prevents hair from getting wrapped around the brush, saving you time and frustration. If you've ever had to stop mid-cleaning to untangle hair from your vacuum's brush roll, you'll understand how much of a relief this is. The self-cleaning feature ensures that the brush roll continues to perform at peak efficiency without the mess. The Shark POWERDETECT is ultra lightweight, weighing in at less than 10 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, up and down stairs, and into tight spaces without feeling weighed down. Whether you're a senior or someone looking for a vacuum that doesn't strain your back, this model is perfect for lighter, more convenient cleaning. Despite its lightweight build, it doesn't skimp on power or functionality. Its suction is strong enough to tackle most messes, including embedded dirt in carpets and debris on hard floors. The vacuum features an Anti-Allergen Complete Seal with a HEPA filter, trapping 99.99% of dust and allergens. This is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers, as it ensures that dust, dirt, and allergens stay trapped inside the vacuum instead of being released back into the air. If you have pets or live in a particularly dusty environment, this is a feature that's hard to overlook. Another standout is its Odor Neutralizer Technology, which helps to combat any unpleasant odors that might linger inside your vacuum. It's an often overlooked feature, one that really adds a touch of freshness, especially when you're dealing with pet hair or other odorous debris. In terms of accessories, this vacuum doesn't disappoint. It includes a pet power brush, an upholstery tool, a crevice tool, and an odor neutralizer cartridge. These tools add versatility, allowing you to clean everything from your pet's favorite resting spots to your car's interior. The onboard storage clip is a nice touch, as it keeps your tools neatly stored while you're vacuuming. Using the Shark POWERDETECT in real-world scenarios is a breeze. When testing it on fine dust and crumbs on hard floors, the vacuum picked everything up quickly without scattering debris. On carpets, it did a fantastic job of lifting embedded dirt and hair. As expected, the self-cleaning brush roll performed flawlessly, pulling up pet hair without clogging or tangling. While cleaning stairs, the lightweight design and additional attachments made it feel effortless. The Pet Power Brush was particularly effective for upholstery and pet beds, picking up hair and dust in seconds. One of the vacuum's strengths is its ability to transition seamlessly between different floor types. You'll appreciate how smoothly it handles the shift from hard floors to thicker carpets without the usual loss of suction or power. The Direction Detect feature, which senses your direction and adjusts suction power accordingly, was a nice touch during testing, especially on high-traffic areas. Now, let's talk about the noise. The Shark POWERDETECT is relatively quiet for a corded vacuum. It's not silent by any means, but it's certainly not as loud as some other models in this category. This can be a big deal if you have young children or pets who might be sensitive to loud noises during cleaning. The vacuum's build quality is solid, with sturdy materials that give it a premium feel. The wand and hose connections are secure, and the dustbin is easy to empty, though it's worth noting that it may need frequent emptying for larger homes, especially if you have pets. The HEPA filter is washable, which helps with long-term maintenance and reduces the ongoing cost of replacements. When it comes to value for money, the Shark POWERDETECT is priced competitively, offering a strong performance in both suction and features. The fact that it's corded means you won't have to worry about battery degradation over time. And the constant power is a huge plus for those who need to clean large areas. While there are cordless alternatives in this price range, they might fall short when it comes to consistent power and runtime. However, if you're looking for portability and no cords, that's something to consider. In the same price bracket, you can find models that are more specialized for pet hair or better suited to larger homes. But the Shark POWERDETECT provides a solid all-around package that most people will find useful. Comparing this vacuum to other models in the market, you might find alternatives like the Dyson V8 or the Bissell Crosswave, both of which offer cordless convenience and decent suction power. However, neither of these models offers the same type of floor adaptability or self-cleaning brushroll technology, which gives the Shark a competitive edge. The Dyson V8 may have an advantage when it comes to battery life and ease of use, but for power and versatility across multiple surfaces, the Shark POWERDETECT holds its ground. On the topic of build quality, the vacuum feels durable, and the self-cleaning brushroll appears built to last. As with any vacuum, you'll want to stay on top of routine maintenance, particularly with the filter and brushroll, but the overall design and materials should stand the test of time. There haven't been any major long-term reliability issues reported, so for most users, you can expect solid durability if maintained properly. In terms of customer support, Shark has a decent reputation for assisting with warranty issues and providing guidance for maintenance. If any issues arise, their customer service is responsive, though it's always a good idea to check the specific warranty terms when purchasing. To wrap things up, the Shark POWERDETECT ultra-light corded stick vacuum with DuoClean Technology offers a solid blend of power, versatility, and convenience. Its self-cleaning brush roll, floor detection technology, and anti-allergen seal make it a fantastic choice for pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone looking for an effective multi-surface vacuum. While the corded design may be a drawback for some, it ensures you'll never run out of battery during a cleaning session. If you need a reliable vacuum that handles both small and large messes efficiently, this might just be the perfect pick. If you're already using this vacuum or considering it, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. As always, thanks for watching Reviews Inside TV, and we'll see you next time.